Imagine your small business running like a well-oiled machine, eliminating waste and maximizing profit with every single step. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if this isn't just a fantasy? What if the secrets used by the world's most efficient factories are surprisingly accessible and incredibly impactful for your small operation? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down how you can leverage lean manufacturing principles to unlock unprecedented efficiency and profitability for your small business, starting today. Small Business Superpowers, Lean Explained. When most small business owners hear lean manufacturing, they picture massive Toyota factories with robots and conveyor belts. That's exactly the problem. Lean principles didn't originate for big companies exclusively, yet somewhere along the way they got packaged as enterprise-only solutions. The truth? Lean thinking is even more powerful for small businesses because every dollar of waste hits harder, and every efficiency gain shows up immediately on your bottom line. Why traditional lean seems too big for you, but it's not. You're running a coffee shop, a consulting firm, or an online boutique. You don't have assembly lines or warehouse managers. But here's what you do have: wasted time, over-ordered inventory sitting in storage, fake efforts, and frustrated customers waiting too long. These are the exact problems lean solves, regardless of your company size. The hidden waste in small businesses is staggering. That extra trip to the supply store because you ran out of receipt paper? That's a waste. The 3 hours spent reorganizing inventory that shouldn't have been purchased in the first place? That's also a waste. How long does the customer service take to deal with shipping errors? All are waste. These small inefficiencies quietly drain thousands of dollars annually from businesses that can least afford it. So what does lean actually mean? Strip away the jargon, and it's simple. Eliminate anything that doesn't add value for your customer. If an activity doesn't make your product better, faster, or more desirable, it's a candidate for reduction or removal. Identify your small business waste. Lean practitioners talk about the 7 wastes, remembered by the acronym TIMWOOD. These are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. Let's translate that into real-world scenarios. Transportation waste means unnecessary movement of products or materials. For a graphic designer, that's emailing files back and forth instead of using shared cloud folders. Inventory waste is the box of business cards with your old phone number. Motion waste is walking to the printer 15 times a day because it's in another room. Waiting waste is obvious. Anytime you or your customers are stuck waiting unnecessarily. Here's where small business owners get confused. How can I have overproduction when I only make a few things? Overproduction isn't just about manufacturing too many widgets. It's preparing 20 marketing proposals when you only have 3 serious leads. Bakery items are batch cooked, then unsold. It's any work done before it's actually needed. The best part? You don't need expensive software to spot waste. Grab a whiteboard, some sticky notes, and your phone camera. Spend 1 day documenting your workflow visually. Take photos of your workspace at different times. You'll be amazed at what you notice when you actually look. If you find the video helpful, please like it, as that will be helpful for my channel. Lean principles you can implement today. Just-in-time inventory sounds complicated, but it's not. Start small with your office supplies. Instead of buying 6 months' worth of printer paper because it's on sale, calculate how much you actually use each week and order accordingly. Yes, you might pay slightly more per unit, but you'll free up cash and storage space immediately. Kaizen is just a fancy Japanese word for continuous improvement. You don't need to revolutionize your business overnight. Can you reduce one email's response time today? Can you move one frequently used tool 6 inches closer? These micro-improvements compound dramatically over time. A pull system means making or ordering things only when there's actual demand. Let's discuss real-world small business transformations. Consider Maria's neighborhood bakery. She was arriving at 4 a.m. to prep all items from scratch daily. By mapping her workflow, she realized she was making the same 5 popular items plus 10 occasional ones. She implemented prep batching for common ingredients and moved to made-to-order for specialty items. Result: 20% less morning prep time, fresher specialty products, and she starts work at 5 a.m. now. Your first step is simple. Pick one waste from TIMWOOD. Choose one lean principle. Start ridiculously small. Don't redesign everything, improve one thing this week. Your lean journey starts now. The biggest pitfall? Trying to do everything at once. Another mistake is treating lean as a one-time project rather than an ongoing mindset. Also, don't implement changes without measuring results. You need to know what's working. The long-term benefits are transformative. Higher profit margins without raising prices, dramatically reduced stress from streamlined operations, and genuinely happier customers receiving faster, better service. Lean isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, one small improvement at a time. Your business will thank you for it. You can support my work by buying me a coffee. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.